Hi guys. I just want to give you the answers to the commission questions so you can check your work and see how you're doing. I'm going to read through the answers to this page, and then that way, any questions that you want to look over or see how they are done, you can fast forward the video to that particular question. Okay, so number one was $516. Number two is 12.5%. Number three is $266.64. Number four is $8.51. Number five is 92%. Number six is 8%. Number seven is 70. Eight is 6%. And nine is $32.49. Okay, so I'm going to go through each one of these questions. I'm going to go kind of quick because you guys can pause and rewind and, go back and rewatch particular questions on your own. All right, so Jasmine says jewelry at home parties. Her commission rate is 40%. If she made $206.40 in commission, what were her total sales? Okay, so remember for this page, we are going to think, I think most of you do proportions for this, so that's how I'm going to do it. We're going to think percent over 100 equals part or the amount of commission over the total sales. Okay, so her commission rate is 40%. So I'm going to do 40 over 100. And it says that she made $206.40. So that's the part, that's how much she made in commission. And then we're looking for the total sales. Okay, so we can do the cross products. Divide both sides by 40. And you will find out that she made $516 in sales. Okay. Number two, last week, Keegan's sales totaled $2,400. He received $300 in commission. What was his commission rate? And remember, when it's talking about the commission rate, that's your percentage. Okay, so we know we're looking for the percent. It says the total sales last week was $2,400. And he received $300 of that in commission. Okay, there's your setup. Let's do our cross products. 300 times 100. Okay, now we're going to divide both sides by 2,400. And you'll get your answer of 12.5, and that's your percentage. Okay, Carly earns a base pay of $250 per week. Her commission rate on all her sales is 4%. This week, her total sales were $416. Find her commission and the total pay for the week. So this is a two-part question. All right, first, let's find her commission. Okay, when I look at this, the base pay of $250, that's what she's going to get no matter what. That has nothing to do with the commission. So I'm just going to, look over the 250 for right now. So I'm going to find her commission. It says the rate is 4%. So I'm going to do 4 over 100. I'm looking for the part or how much she will get in commission, and her total sales were $416. There's your setup. So we're going to do our cross products. And I get 100N equals 1,664. Divide both sides by 100. And she will earn $16.64 in commission. Okay, so that's finding the commission. It then says find the total pay for the week. So she's going to get $250 no matter what, plus her commission. So her total pay for the week is $266.64. So here's your commission, here's the pay. Okay, number 4. Andrew paid $7.40 for lunch. How much should he leave the waiter if he tips 15%? All right, I'm going to actually do this one with the equation. Remember, part is going to be the dollar amount that he's paying the waiter in the tip. Then I'm going to multiply by my percentage as a decimal. So I'm going to do 0.15. I'm going to multiply my percentage as a decimal times the total that he's going to pay for the lunch. So times $7.40. All right, so that means that he is going to leave $1.11 for tip. It says, how much should he leave the waiter? Okay, so he is going to leave the money for the food, the $7.40 for the food, plus he's going to tip the waiter $1.11. So the total amount of money that he should leave is $8.51. Okay. All right, number 5. A math test has 75 total possible points. What percent is correct if you had 64 points? Okay, so I'm going to think percent over 100 equals part over total. So I'm looking for the percentage. The part is going to be the part of the test that was correct. And then this test had a total of 75 questions. Okay, so I'm going to do my cross products. Divide both sides by 75. And this particular student did pretty well, got a 92%. Okay, number 6. Kevin sold a vacuum cleaner for $165. He received a commission of $13.20. What was the rate of commission? So he sold the vacuum cleaner for $165. He gets the commission of $13.20. What is the rate? So remember, rate is our percentage. So we're looking for the percent. All right. He sold the vacuum cleaner for $165. So that's going to be the total price of the item, or total cost of the total sales of the item, I should say. And he received the commission. So he received $13.20. That was his part of the sale. Okay, let's do those cross products. Divide both sides by 165. And we get 8%. Okay. All right, number 7. Sydney got 63 questions correct on a quiz, and she earned a 90%. How many questions were on the quiz? Okay, so we know our percentage. And the 63 were the questions she had correct. So that's the part that she answered correctly. We are looking for the total questions on the quiz. Okay, so now we can do our cross products. Divide both sides by 90. And there were 70 questions on the quiz. All right, number 8. Ian earned $180 on the sale of one motorcycle. The cycle sold for $3,000. What was the commission rate? So we are looking for the percentage. So N over 100 equals. So right here, the 180, that's the part that Ian earns. And then the 3,000, that was the total sale. Okay, do your cross products. Divide both sides by 3,000. And we'll get our answer of 6%. All right, last one. Cynthia sells candy bars on commission. Her commission rate is 9%. She sold $361 worth of candy. How much was her commission? Okay, so we know our percentage. Now, we're looking for her commission. So we're looking for the part that she earns. And right here, 361 is the total sales that she did. She sold $361 of candy. Okay, so we can do our cross products. Divide both sides by 100. And that means she is going to earn $32.49. Okay. All right. I know I went through these very quickly, but like I said, you can rewind, you can replay. And also, I will be back in school tomorrow.